I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to install a battery or change the batteries in the Boya lavalier mic. So what we're gonna do is just take the microphone here. I'm gonna install a battery for the first time. And you can see we've got the mic itself, and then we've got the little kind of canister unit in the middle here. So I'm gonna make sure the power switch is off. Then I'm just gonna twist this, the part that says Boya, and I'm gonna twist and twist until it's open. And you can see there's a little battery compartment in there where we can put in a button cell battery. And that's exactly what I've got right here is the button cell battery. You can see what we gotta put in there. This is an LR44 cell on there. And you can see the positive side is here. So we're gonna wanna just align this inside of our battery compartment. And we're gonna put the positive side, which again is that flat side, facing to the left. You can see there's a little positive symbol on here. So we're just gonna slip it in there and kind of have to compress the spring as we do it. It's a little tricky the first time you do it. So let me just kind of hold this up and I'm gonna try to get it on in there. You can see when I do it properly, the spring is sitting back behind the battery. It's nice and level with the actual unit. And then we're just gonna close this back up again. Make sure it's nice and tight. Seal it in place, and we are good to go. That's how we change, or in this case, add the battery on our Boya microphone.